Everyone, please settle down, keep quiet. Give our Miss UN some time to think. Thank you. Again, share a personal experience of social injustice and how were you able to overcome it? You have 1 minute to answer.
As a youth, I was able to overcome it by just ignoring in what they say and believing in myself. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your answer, Miss China.
This is a very interesting question. Now, Mr. Chen, in your own ways as a student, how can you promote equality? Again, in your own ways as a student, how can you promote equality?
Equality?
Yes.
Can you please define quality?
Equality is the ability to judge anyone with no biases, no prejudices.
As a young student of CMU LHS, I can promote equality by trying to, first of all, you need to be positive with yourself. If you cannot be positive with yourself, you cannot be positive with others. So, if you want to promote equality, first of all, you need to try to get to know others and try to get to know about them. And you don't need to be rude or mean. You just need to stay positive. Thank you.
Miss UN of grade 8. Unsa gani mga country? Brazil? Okay. Miss Brazil, your question is, which is more important? Equality, freedom, or justice? Again, what is your question? Your question is, which is more important? Equality, freedom, or justice? May I request the crowd to please settle down sa thank you.
For me, the more important is freedom. Why? Because with freedom, you can choose to respect others' equality and their justice. So without freedom, you can't choose which will you respect. And freedom is where you are going to find the ways to be equal with each other and know their justice. Thank you.
Mr. Vidal,
Go, Aaron!
Now, Mr. Brazil, what advice can you give to a child who is ashamed of their skin color? Again, what advice can you give to a child who is ashamed of their skin color? Again, what advice can you give to a child who is ashamed of their skin color?
The advice that I can give to a child that is afraid of their skin color is that not every one of us is the same, because we need to be proud of who we are and what we currently are. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I hope you take one. Look, we thought. Miss UN of grade 9. Your question is, in your own ways, as a student, how can you promote positive social change? Again, in your own ways as a student, how can you promote positive social change?
As a student, thank you for that wonderful question. Good morning, everyone. As a student, the simplest way that I can do to promote that is to first be a good example to others. And that way, I can inspire people and help them to boost their confidence. And in that way, we can make our world, our society better. That is all. Thank you so much.
Sheesh. Anyway, before we continue, can I please request the crowd?
I'll ask you this now. What is the importance of having the United Nations? Again, what is the importance of having the United Nations?
So, thank you for that question. And good morning to all. So, the importance of having the United Nations is in the word itself. United Nations is to unite other nations to learn more about their culture, their beliefs, and to overall have a better understanding of the diverse countries that this world has. That is all. Thank you.
Shishable.